So I've been living here almost a month now, and my apartment hasn't changed too much from what the last video was, I think. I don't remember. Yeah, my bathroom is the same, so we're not gonna go in there. There's no need. We have fridge, way too much stuff on it. I keep editing, cleaning, and stuff keeps happening. The kitchen, now I actually have some things like my coffee maker, etc. This knife block, which I thought was a really cool solution to the fact that I have only one drawer and a tiny drawer at that. So got a lot of alternative storage that I had to figure out, which I think is working kind of well. But otherwise that has stayed the same. Kitchen still looks like the kitchen. Bedroom, basically the same thing. The biggest addition, I think I had a bed last time I did this, so a bed, but I also now have a nightstand that I made. It's actually supposed to be like shoe storage, and it came with more pieces, and I actually am using the other pieces as shoe storage in my hall closet. And this is just nice because it's lightweight, it was cheap, I won't feel bad if I have to throw it away, and I was able to organize it the way I wanted to. But the top is not super sturdy, which means that I think the lamp's okay being there, but anytime I put a water bottle on it, I get kind of nervous. So my water bottle tends to be on the floor, thus the coaster on the ground. Yeah, dresser, charging station, jewelry stuff. That's the only thing I really have hanging. These walls are weirdly slick, so command hooks don't stick well. So every time I tried to hang something, I would be woken in the middle of the night by a loud crash as everything fell to the floor. So I've stopped doing that. This is my super fancy foldable table that I think is from Costco. And yeah, it's my dinner table, but also my desk. And that's why the stack of books is there, because I don't have a bookshelf, so I don't know where else to put them. So my chair, that tends to be where I sit a lot. Bike is still there. Gotta fix it all the way. Yeah, so we have my couch with the back put on incorrectly because I got overconfident. It still functions as a couch. And when I have guests, it also folds out to be a bed, which will be nice because I have at least 3 people coming to visit me, I think, over the next year at least. My really nice rug, I love it. It's so soft, and I tend to lay on it and do more homework, which is why the books are down there. Dresser, got my smart TV, which is cool because it connects to Netflix, Hulu, all the things that people my age use instead of cable. Yeah, so it's pretty nice.